In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grand Peace Online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access Grand Peace Online, how to create your character and start playing. Now, I'm not gonna go into too much detail about the gameplay, but accessing it is super simple. You will be able to access it if you have the latest version of Roblox on PC, console, or even mobile. All that you have to do is use the search function to look for Grand Peace Online. It is usually going to be auto-completed because the game is extremely popular, and once you find Grand Peace Online, double check to see if it is developed by Grand Quest Games. It will have the verified Roblox icon, and it has more than 900 million visits. You can read the description if you want. As you can see, some controls are listed here. You can press M to open the menu, Ctrl to climb or do your evasive move, P to sit on the ship, and WW twice to sprint. So all that you have to do is join. You will load into the experience, and if this is your first time joining, you will be able to create a new character. I went ahead and I previously already set up my character. There are a lot of customization options, but sadly I skipped over those. You should definitely take your time and carefully go through all of them to make sure that your character is exactly how you want them to be. So once you load in, usually it takes a while to get everything ready, and then it is going to be completely playable. So as you can see, you can join private servers if you wish, but for this video, I'm just going to click play. This will allow you to join the public hub and play with other people. So you can go into customize to change your character like I mentioned. These are all the customization options, so there is a lot of stuff to go over. And once you change the hair, the secondary hair, the shirt, pants, shoes, the color, and everything related, you will be able to start. You will see the race that you currently have over here, and you can do race rerolls, but this will cost you, so keep that in mind. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this. Immediately upon finishing the character setup, you will load into the game and you are ready to play. It is extremely simple to do, and like I said, you will have full access to everything in Grand Peace Online. So once you load in, you will be able to walk around and start playing. Follow the quests, follow the storyline, and you will get instructions on what to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grand Peace Online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.